Hey guys, what's going on? This is one of the episode of Make.com Mastery. So if you guys missed any previous videos in the series, make sure you watch that before continuing to the rest of this video. You can find the previous video in this corner here.
In this video, we are going to discuss data types in Make.
Think about this right now. We can add two numbers, we can concatenate two texts, but we can't do the opposite. That's where the data types come in. So in Make, we have 5 classifications for data types. First one is numeric data type, which consists of numbers with or without decimal points. The next one is text. It can be any type of data, whatever you see on the keyboard, which includes all the alphabets, numbers, and special characters. So these are the examples of text data type, as you can see on the screen right now. It can be the collection of numbers here, it can be the collection of alphabets here, or a combination of all these things. As well as this date also can be a text, alright? Because it has numbers along with some special characters here. The next data type is the date data type. It is a data type native to Make, which we use to represent the date along with time. It can have seconds, milliseconds, and in different formats depending on the country you are living in. Next comes the Boolean data type. It only has two values, that is true or false. You can locate these data types in situations which is mentioned in the screen right now. So now let's discuss something more interesting. Let's discuss about complex data types. These are derived data types from the basic data types we have discussed prior to this. Alright? So the first one is collections and the second one is arrays. Collection is a group of items without any positional data associated with it. Arrays are also a collection of items with a very important difference. It has something called positional data associated with each items in the array.
So, latte we can access it based on position.
So guys, we have now discussed the basic data types which we normally work within Make. Alright, so now let's jump into data structures. So for having a context here, we have right now learned about basic data types including arrays and collections. So the data we want to send into an application and get out of an application consists of these data types. Let's recall what we have discussed about the APIs. We have to give the API some structured form of data in order for it to take it to the application and deliver us a desired output data. So in short, to describe the data we send or receive, we need a data structure. So let's now discuss an example to lock in the concept of data structure here. So consider you want to send a parcel to your friend somewhere else, and you have to make use of a courier service. So the courier service here is the application. You have to give some data to the courier service in order for the courier service to deliver your package to the desired location. So just think about it. What are these data? So you have to give the receiver's address in a structured manner so that the courier service can interpret it and send the parcel properly to that location. Alright? So as you can see here, you have to provide a structured data to the courier service in order for the courier service to perform the desired output. So that is where data structure comes in. But luckily for us, here we have all the juices. So Make has already made all these data structures and make it very user friendly so that we can just enter the details into a module. So there are instances we have to make our own data structures where the Make does not have a module for it. But in certain cases, we have to make our own to communicate with external applications, which is not handled by Make but has its own APIs.
So now let's wrap up this session here. If you find this content valuable, hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down your questions or share what you think about the video right now.